District Institute of Education and Training, Faridpur, Bareilly. Home science assignment topic food and nutrition. As we all know that food and nutrition is very important in one's life. Food is what we eat when we are hungry and even when we are not hungry. On the other hand, nutrition is what our body needs on a daily basis to stay healthy. In the other reference, nutrition is defined as the process by which an animal or plant takes in and utilizes food substances. Now we will talk about food in detail. Food is any nutritious substance that people or animals eat or drink or that plants absorb in order to maintain life and growth. Food is a substance containing of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats used in the body of an organism to sustain growth, repair, and other vital processes. It is any substance consumed to provide nutritional support to any organism. Now, we should know the importance of food. So, here we go for the importance of food. We need food to live and grow. It makes us strong and healthy. It gives us energy. Now we can classify the food into 7 categories. Firstly, vegetables, secondly, fruits, third, grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds, fourth, meat and poultry, fifth, fish and seafood, sixth, dairy food, and seventh is eggs. Now, we should know that why do we need food? Just like, for example, we all have a mobile phones that we needs to be recharged every day so does our body. Our body needs a normal intake of food for the following reasons: to produce strength, to allow us to breathe, think, and move, to grow, reproduce, to carry out repairs. Now, let's talk about nutrition. The food that we take and the way it affects our health. It is defined as a process by which an animal or a plant takes in and utilizes food substances. It is a study of nutrition in food, how the body uses them, and the relationship between diet, health, and diseases. It is a science that interprets the nutrients and other substances in food in relation to the maintenance, growth, reproduction, health, and disease of an organism. So, nutrition is defined as the process by which animal and a plant takes in and utilizes the food substances. Now, what are the importance of nutrition? Nutrition is very important in one's life. A healthy diet throughout life promotes healthy pregnancy outcomes, supports normal growth, development, and aging, helps to maintaining a healthy body weight, and reduces the risk of chronic diseases leading to overall health and well-being. A famous saying, "You are what you eat." A healthy diet consists of a balanced diet composed of all important nutrients in right proportion. It prevents malnutrition and one set of disease like obesity, diabetes, heart diseases, cancer, and stroke, to name a few. Now, the types of nutrients. We can classify nutrients into carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, water. Now, if we talk about them individually, then here we go. Water. Yes, water is a nutrient. It is the most important nutrient. In fact, Our body is mostly water. Water carries nutrients to the cell in our body. Protein. Proteins are the nutrients that are essential to the building, maintenance, and repair of the body tissues such as skin, internal organs, and muscles. They are also the major components of our immune system and hormones. Now next, carbohydrates. Carbohydrates provides fuel for the body in the form of glucose. Glucose is a sugar that is the primary source of the energy for all the body cells. Adults should get about 45% of their calories from the carbohydrates. Fats. Fats are made up of compounds called fatty acids or lipids. Depending on their chemical structure, these fatty acids are called monosaturated, polysaturated, or trans fats. Trans fats and saturated fats are the unhealthiest fats to eat are and the healthy fat to eat. Vitamins. Vitamins helps with chemical reaction in the body. In general, vitamins must come from the diet. The body does not make them. They are of two types: water soluble and fat soluble. Water soluble vitamins are B and C, and fat soluble vitamins are A, D, E, and K. Now, minerals. Many minerals are vital to the proper function of the body and must be taken in relatively large amounts, such as calcium, potassium, and iron. Other like trace animals such as zinc, selenium, and copper are only needed in a small amount to maintain good health. Thank you.